Hey babes, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you've been here. So we're doing one of like my most requested videos, which is a home decor video. I always get like suggestions as far as like doing more home decor videos, so I was just like, let me get the girls what they want. I love watching home decor videos, especially like for different seasons. I like to see how people style and decorate their home for different seasons, but just in general, I'm excited to decorate my kitchen with you guys for the fall. I hope you guys will enjoy. This video is sponsored by Caraway, so thank you to them for sponsoring this video, which is so mind-blowing to me because I was literally about to purchase their cookware set because they just came out with these cute new colors that fits my vibes and, you know, aesthetics. So I was about to purchase, and then I got a sponsorship, so shout out to Caraway for that. Okay, so excited to give you all the deets about Caraway, but before we do, if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Join the fam. We're so close to 200K, so get your girl there. So I would just love to have you a part of the fam, and everything will be linked in the description box below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, so let's get into this video, and you can just see the cookware set that your girl got. I'm literally obsessed, okay? Obsessed with this color, the style of it, just everything about this. I've actually had this about a week or two now, and I've tried it out for you guys, so everything is actually a real review. This is not a first impression. I've actually been using this, and I've used every one of these just to see how I like it. Does it work for me? Obviously, I have watched it, and it still looks good. Like, oh my gosh. If you haven't heard of Caraway, I am definitely going to put you on. Caraway sells non-toxic ceramic coated home goods that really elevates the way that you cook. Not only are they aesthetically pleasing and very durable, because this pot right here, girl, I promise you it has like a little weight on it, and I love that. Not only are they aesthetically pleasing to look at and cook in, they're definitely very durable. They can literally stand the test of time. Caraway is non-toxic, so their products are made without any toxic materials like PFAS, PTFE, PFOAs, and just all that other hard to pronounce chemicals. So we love that. It's super easy to cook with. Literally everything is just sliding out the pan. On top of that, girl, easy cleaning. I can literally just rinse this with water and everything just slides right off the pan. Of course, you want to clean it with soap and a cloth or a sponge, whatever you use, but I'm just letting you know that you can just rinse it and everything just comes right off the pan. No elbow grease needed. Before I started really looking at all the benefits of this cookware set from Caraway, I was stuck on just the design. It's so sleek, it's so minimal, but very much effective. And they came out with two new colors, which is black and white, and I got the black. They also have core colors in the collection, so you can choose whatever color fits your style best in your kitchen. So another thing that I love about Caraway is that they do provide you with storage options. It comes here with this lid holder that you can literally put in your cabinet, so it is like easy storage. And just to kind of show you guys, this is how it looks. It is so nice, aesthetically pleasing, very much organized. It does come with the command hook and hook it to your cabinet. So my cabinets are smaller, so it doesn't fit this here, which is so sad because I really love it. And also it does come here with these pot holders, so you do not have to worry about messing up your countertops or anything like that. Or if you just need a little bit of extra space, you can move, you know, this off to the side and put it on the pot holder. It comes with these pan racks, so you can easily storage your cookware. All you do here is you just put them together. Perfectly fits right underneath. So this right here is the Dutch oven, and you get the lid to go with this. So you just slide it in here, and then you get here a saucepan that comes with a lid. And then you also get a saute pan and lid here. And lastly, you get a fry pan. Looks so good. As I mentioned, this right here is just too big for my door. It won't shut because it's like coming off. I love how just easy it is just to cook with this set. It takes about 90 seconds just to preheat your cookware set on like low to medium heat. Also, because it is ceramic, everything is going to easily slide off. So that means you do not need a lot of oil or butter, and it is also oven safe. So I'm just so here for the variety. So again, make sure you check out Caraway. I promise you, you would not be disappointed. The link will be in the description box below. So yes, let's go ahead and get into the decorating part of my kitchen. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do the fun part, and that is decorating for the fall. Again, I don't have much space here in my kitchen, so it's going to be very minimal, but you know, we're still gonna add those fall touches. A lot of the items that I purchased are from Target, Crate & Barrel, HOMEGOODS, and Amazon. All right, so here is the first cutting board that I have. This one is from HOMEGOODS. HOMEGOODS is literally that place for me when it comes to like cutting boards. They have so many different styles, and it's very much affordable. I'm just going to put this like right behind the stove. And then we're going to take this black cutting board that I got from Target. They have a lot of these, like the same brand, but just in like different shapes. And it's quite smaller than that one. And it's just going to give it, you know, some layers. So I am going to hardly layer it like this. And that's gonna be that look. All right, so the next thing that we're going to take are books. They're like decor books, but not just any book. They are recipes. So, you know, your girl ain't got Tom Ford up on the kitchen and she can't like utilize it. So these are the 3 books that I'm going to use. We have the Magnolia table here. So again, these can be found from Target. So this is how that looks. But like I said, this definitely fits the kitchen theme because there's recipes in here. You know, the blueberry sweet rolls, you know, just to give you a little idea. So we have that one. And then I have another Magnolia table. I don't know if this is the same one. I think this is volume 1 and this one is volume 2. So this is how it looks. And it has like a little black, it has a black spine, so I love like the color. And then the last one I also got from Target. This is the Half Baked Harvest, and it just really gives me Thanksgiving. So it just says harvest here on the spine, if you can see, and then this is just how it looks. So I'm just gonna put all these books together and then slide them in that corner. We're gonna come back to this area soon. I'm gonna go to this side here. I usually keep my set here that I got from Amazon, and I just put this right here. And then I have this oil dispenser. I'm just gonna put it right there. Okay, it's coming together, it's coming together. So here's like kind of like a fun part. I got this Thankful pumpkin, like it's like a little stand kind of cut out. I got this from Marshall's or HOMEGOODS. It was only $8 and it just says it's all black, which fits my theme, and then it just says thankful here. So I got this. I think I'm gonna put that somewhere right there. Salt and pepper right here, shakers that I got from IKEA. So I'm going to put that right there. Next thing I have here is this utensil bowl that I got from Target. It just says utensil. It's super freaking cute, and I just love how neutral it is. I'm gonna put that like right here, give a little bit of space. So here are some black cookware things. So if you can see, your girl really loves black. This is like my little theme. I got these black silicone cookware utensils from Crate & Barrel. I did pick them up individually, but I do believe that they come in a set. So we're just gonna stick that in here. I do love those cookware utensils. Let me spread a little bit more. But I also have these that I think I got from like Walmart. I'm not ready to let them go yet. They're a little bit more on like the plastic or whatever type side. Very much different from this. I love these, like they're definitely worth it as far as like cooking with, but I'm still gonna add that to this because they're all black, and yeah, I'm not ready to let them go yet. They still work just fine. So that's that. All right, so we have a little bit of something going on here. The next thing I have is this black kettle pot here I got from Target. It is Cuisinart. This is just gives the vibes, especially for fall. Like if you like hot tea or just like coffee, it just gives the vibe. So I'm just gonna place this like right here in the middle. All right, so we're almost finished with this section. So the last thing that I have here that will go on the kitchen counter will be the spoon and lid holder. Y'all, I got this from Amazon. It's matte black. It is from the brand, I'm not exactly sure, but it says Enjoy Style, Happy and Teas. So again, everything will be linked here. So what you do is like place your spoon or whatever here, and then here in the back you can place your lid. It actually holds a, you know, decent sized lid. It's not holding an extra large lid, but definitely like a medium-sized lid. It holds it, and it's so surprising because it seems very, it doesn't seem like it does much. It's very much flimsy, but it definitely like holds it. I also have this one that I just recently got from Crate & Barrel. Absolutely love this. It's also like a spoon holder, matte black. Again, that's the vibes that I'm going for. So, and really quick, just to let you guys know, I got this matte black Crate & Barrel mitt It is super cute, mini, and it just has the Crate and Barrel logo on here, which I absolutely love. So that's that. Also, you guys, I have these two cute, what do you call these? Like hand towels, decorative towels, I don't really know. And I got these from HOMEGOODS, I believe. This says Boo and this says Spooky. I'm just gonna put this here, it's all black. I think I'm gonna change this around because it's weird. Okay. We can do that. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is work on my island. We're starting with a clean canvas, so I'm just going to decorate just like this portion here. So we're starting off with this wood board here. I'm not exactly sure if it's called like a board. It's not like a cutting board, but it's kind of like a charcuterie board or something like that, I believe. I'm not sure. So we're starting off with that from Crate and Barrel. Just taking this candle here that someone sent me. So that's the candle that we're burning for the month. And I got these really cute matches here from Amazon. I got this pumpkin here from, where did I get this from? I got this pumpkin here from At Home. Got these links here from Amazon. I don't know how I'm gonna do it just yet, but I'll just put it like right here and then we'll figure it out. Alright, y'all, here's the last section in my kitchen that I'm working on. It is my coffee bar. It's actually kind of like a, I want to call it like a wet bar, okay, because I have a lot of different things like going on here. I already have some things like up here, so I kind of go through those even though I'm not like decorating it. But yeah, like I have a wine cooler down here, and then I also have some coffee like cups, accessories and things like that up there, and some wine glasses here as well. So I'm just gonna go through this really quick. I already have this set up because I did do like a reel probably like a few months ago on how I set up my coffee bar, but we're only going to add just a touch, okay, just a touch of fall to it, just to, you know, kind of give it a little bit of like bringing it all together. So I have an espresso machine. I think it's an Espresso Virtue or something like that. I have that machine. It does come here with the, or you have to buy it separately, I'm not sure, but the frother. I have it on top of this, girl, it's gonna be linked down below. I don't know what it's called, but it's like the capsule holder. So it has like tempered glass here, and then you just pull it out, and then your coffee is displayed here. Obviously I've been drinking some, so I do have to refill this. But yeah, so I have it on that. I really do like it because it helps everything stay organized. And I try to make it as like, you know, bringing it closer here so you guys can see. Organized as possible. We have these little coffee cups here that I'm just gonna leave right there. But I got these from, I believe, HOMEGOODS. This milk frother, again, I had this in my Amazon must-haves. All right, so I have this like wooden stand here. I'm not sure where I got this from. At Home, $20, girl, $20 for this. And Target probably would have had this in the $5 section. But anyway, so it's this wooden stand I got from At Home. It's kind of like a, you know, tree stump, and then they added legs to it. I think it's super cute. So I'm just gonna add it right here. All right, you guys have seen this before. Coffee syrups here. Now again, these jars are from the Polish jar. It will be linked below, but I just got like the glass jars, the matte black handles here, and then I bought these labels, which is hazelnut, vanilla, and caramel from Etsy, and I just, you know, put it on there. So that's how that looks. I will say that I don't think that these are the best. Even though it's so pretty and aesthetically pleasing, I don't think that it's the best, you know, functionality wise for the coffee syrups, because they do get like, sometimes they can get like really sticky, but you can also like rinse it out with hot water and then the pump will work again. But sometimes the pump gets stuck because of like the syrup and stuff. I'm gonna take these two coasters here. They're wooden coasters that I got from Target. Just back there because I want a little a little lift, okay? Then this is where our touch of fall will come in. I have this here, fall arrangement here that I got from At Home, $5.99. I actually got this last year. Let me know if I'm the only one that does not take off tags, girl. Like, that is bad. Let me go ahead and cut it. And I just put it right up here. And I'm just gonna line these up like this. I'm gonna take this spoon here. I got a few of these and just put it right there. I think that's super cute. I want to get something right here, but I don't have it just yet. So I'm just gonna put my caramel sauce, chocolate, things like that, and just leave it right there until I get something for this little area. So let me go over this really quick with you guys so you can see like what I have going on. I'm not a big wine person. This whole little section here is made heavily for someone that drinks wine. This is what it's giving. My coffee area. This right here is obviously for wine. I did my own little thing to it. I'm not putting wine up here because again, I don't drink wine. So I may put some other stuff up here. But right now it works for me. This is all of my coffee stuff here. So I have my espresso shot glasses here, some mugs here, some coffee glasses here, and the milk frother. I am missing a few because they are in the dishwasher right now, but that's how that looks. I love these cups here. You did see them in my Amazon must-haves. Just have like all of my coffee spoons, as you can see, little coffee stir. Like look at the handle of it, like super cute. So I just have a lot of like different ones like in here, and then I also have some smaller spoons here. I don't drink a lot of wine, but I do have some wine here, so I did put it on like this half. As we move down here, this is the wine cooler. I do have some wine here, but girl, some Seagrams, but mostly your girl is drinking Sprites, okay? Mostly this is the soda area, I'm not gonna lie. And it is cold, okay? Super cold. So I keep usually Sprites, ginger ale, like just sodas here, like Diet Coke. This is for my mom when she comes. Usually this is filled up with soda. I've been like traveling, so I don't have a lot here, and I just been using and not refilling them. Why is this for wine bottles? Like who gonna drink that much wine? But no, I know some people really like heavy into it, so I decided to repurpose this and use it for my coffee cups and just like put the aesthetically like pleasing coffee cups here. So this is all black, it says coffee, but even back here I have like something that says hello sunshine, rise and shine, but then back here is self-made. These are like my mason jars. Right here is just like some more espresso coffee cups. I think these are so cute. They're matte black. All right, babe, so that completes this video on decorating my kitchen for the fall. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Caraway. You will not be disappointed with them. It just takes your kitchen up another level. Like you're getting into your adult status, okay? The link will be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.